welcome back to my YouTube video. And ignore the things in the background. We're just gonna get started with this. And make sure you like, subscribe if you like it, and leave a comment down below for I could give you a shout out. So let's get started. You're just gonna have to wait until this looks. Okay, I already built my house and everything. I'm gonna be a parent.
What's up?
Go check out his channel. What's it?
It's gaming underscore up underscore what underscore with and then underscore Antonio. And yeah.
Go like to him if you want to,
Subscribe.
and subscribe to him. Leave a comment below for he could give you a shout out. Okay, let's get started.
I can do this for you. Guys, this is our first YouTube video, so don't judge her that much. There you go.
Okay. So I think I'm gonna.
Do you want to start it?
This. Yeah. Sorry guys, I'm not used to playing on computer. And I don't know. And I'm playing. Ooh, I got my check. Let's get it. 20 bucks. I'm gonna be saving up for a car. Let's see if we can get that. I don't know how to put this screen down. What? Sorry guys, I don't know how to play. Okay. Should I go, guys? Okay. But first, I'm gonna get you a lit countdown, and you're gonna smash that like button if you like it. If you want to, you can stay to the end and put it. But I'm just gonna do this. So when I count to 5, you guys like that subscribe button and leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below for a shout out in my next video. Okay. 1,
2,
2, 3, 4, 5. Smash that like button. And let's go.
Yeah, do you know where's the quarter?
Huh?
Do you know where's the quarter? Because I'm not saying for things.
No. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna. Okay. Pollo,
Yeah?
do you know how to put the screen down? Because like it's too open, I can't see.
Well, which one?
Like to put it facing forward.
I don't know. It's too high up. I actually don't know.
For the first time, what is it? Okay guys, so let's continue. Guys, I'm sorry. I think I'm just gonna leave. I'm gonna just like go and I don't know, do something like that. Basically, I'm gonna go and look for a baby out there because the babies sometimes goes out there, or maybe I'm gonna restart and be a baby. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, let's go. Whose car is this? Oh.
And gotta make sure that what's it called? I forgot.
Okay, I'm gonna go to the baby store. Hi. Guys, you guys can't really see me that much. Okay. Maybe I'm just gonna when I get a baby, I'm gonna buy it to sleep. How much the float? just in case. Just in case. It's too because I just need it. I don't drink it.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
Oh, you have a baby?
No.
Oh, you're fine.
I'm just getting stuff and then when I get okay. I think I'm gonna buy a stroller, like a big stroller. Oh, that cost us hecka. Maybe like save up some money. Yeah. I'll save up some money for 100 and 500. Let's see if we could do that. Okay, let's do it. Or I think I'm just gonna buy any other one. I feel like I just buy any other one. These strollers are like so much dollars, and I don't even have any. Oh my god! Let's see how much the it asked me out of the baby store. Come on, I'm gonna go back in there and then just look at the bed and yeah. Going back in. Okay. Can you guys see me good? Sorry guys. Now you guys can see me more better. I'm tired of the pink one. I received $20. Okay. Why do I always receive only $20? This is so dumb. Well, it's not dumb. Like, I do like gaming. Oh my god! God dang! Sorry, dog. Sorry. I was talking to my dog. I'm so. Okay. Let's just go. Okay. Either way, I was gonna go back into the store. This is so bad. This is going so bad. Yeah, let's see if these things. See how much they cost. How much does these cost? It doesn't say how much it does it cost. I want to buy one of these. Or do I already have? Okay, it doesn't say. Okay, let's just go.
Guys, and we'll put my channel in the description below. Oh shit. Sorry guys for my language. You can do it like Minecraft. Wait, stop. Oh, turn this down. So like you can get better at Minecraft at the same time.
I'm going here.
How much money you got?
I have $8.
$80.
80 bucks. 80 bucks. Oh, it's cool. But yeah, I know how to do it now. You zoom into her, and then you move it.
Now how do you get out?
Hmm?
How do you get out? How? Oh! Oh, that's duty.
I already found out I'm gonna go. Sorry guys, I get really thirsty when I'm playing.
Guys, we don't know that much about the computer because we just got it yesterday
At night.
at night. So like,
We couldn't post that time
because it was like 1 in the morning.
Yeah, when my brother was using it, because I was get to use it first,
Yeah.
and then he was gonna second, and then in the morning it was. Wait, but in the morning it was nighttime.
Remember yesterday I said I'm gonna play in the morning.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Just go.
Let's get going. Let's see what's in these. Okay. Oh, I can't see good. Okay. 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 Georgia. I'm actually acting normal for the first time. Okay, we're just gonna. Oh my god!
Yeah. Oh,
Nothing.
it's taking forever.
No, it's cause somebody came in and then pushed me out. Okay, let's go back in. I'm gonna press this.
You'll be able in 10 minutes.
Okay, let's see.
Well, kind of more.
It's kind of.
No, you don't have enough for anything.
No, the bikes and everything. Oh, no.
Oh, I almost have enough for the bikes. Wait, go to the bikes. After you're done, I'm gonna post again. Are you?
I'm gonna play Minecraft too.
That's why. Are you gonna post it?
Yeah.
Well, hurry up, cause you will go for 10 minutes.
Okay, guys. I'm just gonna play for
Go edit
like.
your house.
I'm gonna go to my house right now, and I'm gonna give you a little tour of my house. Oh my god, what's wrong with this? Oh, guys, I think I found a kid. I don't know. Sorry, guys. Oh, received $20. Let's see if I have
You have $100.
$100. I'm just gonna wait a little bit more, and then as soon as I get the car, I'm gonna end the video. Okay, guys?
No, you're never gonna get that.
Yes, I am.
Well, just go edit your house, and then, well, what's it called? When it's your turn again, play for a little bit, and then get money. Ooh, you're on your own.
Yeah. Where does it let me?
Alright, hurry up.
Okay. Yeah, she's in a phone.
How can you run like that fast?
I don't know.
Hold on, you're not running. There's not your house. Went to the wrong one. Oh, over there. Go through there. Go to your left. That. Go in there. I'll hold this out. Yeah, 15 minutes is the time limit. 15 minutes is the time limit. So, we only have 2 more minutes. You didn't even adopt a baby.
I know. I couldn't find one either.
Maybe in the next video. We'll just end it.
Hey guys, I'm gonna leave it right here. Make sure you subscribe,
Leave a like.
leave a like, turn on notifications, comment down below for you can get a shout out, and make sure you like it if you like it. Like it if you want to. Not.
And let's see if she could get 10 subscribers. Come on, guys. Let's see if she could.
See you guys in my next video.
Video.
See ya. Alright, peace out, y'all.